Hi everyone. So today in this video we will see how we can upload multiple files via Dropzone. So let's get started. So in our Dropzone script we have to change few things such as we will have to make this upload multiple file as true, and then we will select how the maximum file to be uploaded. Here I am taking 5, and the parallel upload will be same as max files, which is 5. So no need to change or add anything else, and so that's the thing which we have to do on the front end side. So if we just refresh the page, we will see that we now are able to select multiple files. So let's also save these multiple files on the backend side. For that I will be creating a new route. Okay, previously it was just a single file, so let's just copy this previous route and make this as store multiple image, and the route will be the same. And so we just save it, and we will also have to change the route here also. So let's just change it over here, and let's just go on to our home controller, since we are referring to home controller and store multiple image method. uh, so let's just create one more function over here, public function and store multiple image. Okay, and we will be with the request parameter will be required, and here just I will be using just a try catch block. Okay, and the files which will be coming over here will be in the form of array. So to grab each and every file we have to loop through array, and we will be selecting our file. So for that we will have to looping will be required. So let's just go with for each. Okay, and the variable will be the same as over here, and it will be $request file as 5. Okay, now the most of the code will be same, since we are grabbing one file. So we will be storing that one particular file in a image variable, and most of the code are same. And we will be required this image, so this will be also same. Okay, since we are storing our image file, so previously we were referring to this image variable, so nothing to change over here. And at this line, so it's a request file, so instead of this we will go with dollar file as well. Okay, since we are referring each and every file as file. So we can do this over here. Then we need the name of the images as well somewhere to be stored so that we can store it in our database. For that I will take the I will make one variable as image array and will assign it as empty array. So after processing each and every file, we will be just pushing array push, and the name of the array is dollar image array. Okay, and the data which we are going to push is image name. Okay, so till here we are looping through our images, getting the original name, and we are just selecting our new user and moving our file to a particular file path and pushing that image name to our image array. So after pushing, we will just save our data into the database. So previously we need to store our image in the database in the form of comma separated values. For that we will use include function so that we can store our data in image column in comma separated values. So for that let's just create one more variable image array to string, and here we will be using include method, and the name of the just comma separated value and image array. After that we will be saving our data into the database. Okay, so here instead of single image we need to store our comma separated values or the names into our database. So and we will storing the result in one particular variable dollar, let's say result, and based on this result we will be returning our JSON data whether the data has been stored in a database or a failure. So if result, then we will return a JSON response saying that image uploaded successfully. Okay, and if it's a failure, then we will be returning a failure message image uploaded failed, and that's it. No need to send user ID, and in the catch we can just throw the error if we catch any error. Okay, so the route is set, and we have also created one more route for storing multiple images, and our method is also done. So let's just see if it's working or not. Just select the file and create. So as so we have encountered the issue. Just see what the issue is. Okay. So after debugging, I just realized that instead of file, I have written request file. Okay. So here the file will come, and now the code is working. So let's just save the file, and quickly see whether it's working or not. So just put the font and select two or three files. Okay, and create. So I guess the form is submitted, and in the database if you will see, we have created one record. The three images which we have selected is stored in the form of comma separated values in the image columns. And if we go into the public folder upload images, here you will see we have the images. So 2 3 images I have just previously tested out. So that's how you upload multiple files via Dropzone. Thank you.